Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am glad you're here. We're going to be playing with some paint today. We're just kind of fiddling. I have all these concoctions mixed up and we're just going to see what they do and how it works. We might do a traveling ring pour, maybe a little swiping, maybe some pearl cells. We're just gonna play and see how our paints react. We are working today on a lovely canvas. It's a 16 by 20 Oval Pro canvas by Masterpiece. These are beautiful, guys. Everything looks prettier on a oval canvas, and this guy is very, very well made. So I'm excited about that. We got a couple of base coats going on today, guys. This right here is my BEHR Premium Satin Enamel House Paint. And the can, let me get it for you. It's brand new and it's very heavy. But that's the BEHR Premium Satin Enamel House Paint. And that is the Ultra Pure White. I find that it just works very well, leaves a wonderful surface, and always gives me a nice painting. Let me put this heavy guy down. Now this is mixed with 1 part paint, a 1/2 part of Floetrol, 1 part Golden GAC 800, and 1 part LIQUITEX pouring medium. All of my paints are mixed with the same pouring medium. Now I did have to add water to this to get it to a thin consistency, but it's not as thin as when I'm doing a pearl pour, and I'll tell you why. The last 2 pearl pours that I did, after I was finished with it, it sat on a level surface. I cover it with a picnic netting and my paint moved. And I don't know why my paint moved. My edges were all scraped, so there were no drippings pulling my paint down. So I think that maybe my paints were a little bit too thin. So this is a smidgen thicker than what I usually do for a pearl pour. Now this guy right here, guys, I can't tell you what it is. This is all of my drippings from the last couple of days when I've been using blue paint. There's probably a little satin enamel pure white in there. There's probably some Payne's gray in there. There's probably, what blue? Prussian blue hue in here. So I scrape up all of my drippings, put them in a container, and then sometimes I add some more pigment to them. Sometimes I add a little bit more pouring medium to them, and then I strain them. I strain them with a cone strainer that I buy from Lowe's or Home Depot. Let me get that for you so you can. This fella is only, a package of 4 is about maybe $1.25, but this sits right on top of my container, and I strain right into this, and then I discard it. Easy breezy, but I always scrape my drippings so they're nice and smooth. So there's our 2 base coat colors. Let's talk about our other paints because they're yummy. I have been getting my blues on and I have been enjoying that. This right here is Golden's Payne's Gray in the fluid paint. This right here is a little bit of satin enamel mixed with my pouring medium. There's no Artist Loft in there. This beautiful silver is a combination of DECOART Extreme Sheen Silver and DECOART Dazzling Metallics Shimmering Silver. Those are pretty. Right here, what do we have here? Oh, my favorite, guys, DECOART Metallics in the pewter. So all of these are mixed with my pouring medium, 1 part paint, a half a part of Floetrol, or a hefty squeeze is what I call it. 1 part Golden GAC 800 and 1 part LIQUITEX pouring medium. That has worked very, very successful for me. And sweet Sarah Taylor from Sarah Taylor's Modern Art turned me on to that pouring medium. I forgot one other thing, guys, something else that I added to my strained base coat. The VALLEJO Pearl Medium, just about, I'd say, a half a cup. Mix that in there. This is a little thick, so I did have to add some water afterwards to get it to the consistency to match all my other paints. So what are we doing? We're playing with our paints, guys. We are in my happy place, and that makes me smile. Let's put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, so I smile even bigger. Let's get busy, guys.
요즘 사람들은 더 이상 편지를 쓰지 않아. 왜 문자 하나에 다 담길까 그 많은 얘기가. 마주보고 하긴 어색한 마음 하얀 종이 위에 펜이 다 쓰니 용기내 써내려가 볼게. 사랑해 좋아해 촌스럽지만 이렇게 고백해 멋은 없어도 난 지금 진지해. 장난 아닌데 유치해. 미안해 하지만 내 맘 You don't know. 그 어떤 세련된 말로도 대신 못해. 사실 달려가 너를 안고 싶어. Cause you are my baby. 어떤 표정들을 지을까 이 편지를 받을 즈음에 너 상상해보는 너의 얼굴 빨리 보고 싶어. 난 사랑해 좋아해 촌스럽지만 이렇게 고백해 멋은 없어도 난 지금 진지해. 장난 아닌데 유치해. 미안해 하지만 내 맘 You don't know. 꾸며진 말들보다 더욱 소중한데 You don't know. 서툰 고백이지만 받아줘. Cause you are my baby. You are my baby. 푸른 밤 수놓던 그 말들이 생각이 안 나. 그래도 이런 내 맘 하나 줘. You don't know. 이 세상 그 누구보다 더 소중한데 You don't know. 내일은 친구 말고 연인 사이. Cause you are my baby. 이 세상 그 누구보다 더 소중한데 You don't know. 내일은 친구 말고 연인 사이. Cause you are my baby. 요즘 사람들은 더 이상 편지를 쓰지 않아. 왜 문자 하나에 다 담길까 그 많은 얘기가. 마주보고 하긴 어색한 마음 하얀 종이 위에 펜이 닿았으니 용기내 써내려가 볼게. 사랑해 좋아해 촌스럽지만 이렇게 고백해 멋은 없어도 난 지금 진지해. 장난 아닌데 유치해 미안해 하지만 내 맘 You don't know. 그 어떤 세련된 말로도 대신 못해. You don't know. 사실 달려가 너를 안고 싶어. Cause you are my baby. 어떤 표정들을 지을까 이 편지를 받을 즈음에 너 상상해보는 너의 얼굴 빨리 보고 싶어. 난 사랑해 좋아해 촌스럽지만 이렇게 고백해 멋은 없어도 난 지금 진지해. 장난 아닌데 유치해 미안해 하지만 내 맘 You don't know. 꾸며진 말들보다 더욱 소중한데 You don't know. 서툰 고백이지만 받아줘. Cause you are my baby. You are my baby. 푸른 밤 수놓던 그 말들이 생각이 안 나. 그래도 이런 내 맘